Say hello to John, Julie and Michael. They all manage very different high street businesses, but they have one thing in common. Apart from the products they sell, they all have to buy items that support their business, known as goods not for resale. Till rolls, stationery, carrier bags, labels, hangers, catering equipment, for example. The problem is that they all have lots of different suppliers for all of the products they buy, which means many invoices, many deliveries and time spent searching for things. Now meet James. James discovered Premier Vanguard, who have one site for all the GNFR products he buys. He gets one account manager, one invoice and one delivery, which James finds really convenient. James saves time, money and effort. Be like James and visit www.premvanshop for all your goods not for resale. One site, one invoice, one delivery, one account manager. We think you'll find it much easier. www.premvanshop.com